YouTube, what's good? Retro family, retro gang. Holla at your boy and girl Maddie. This your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks, coming back at you in the shoebox, back against the wall. I got you though, coming out balling. Look, everybody know about the Airmaxes. If you don't, check your sneaker app. Hopefully they be on Nike.com, so some of them can go on sale. There was 6 of them that was on Nike. These was actually voted last. People voted on these last year. So this particular votes, you had 6 winners. I think the year before last, which you just had 1, which was Sean Weatherspoons. This time you picked 6. Also, before we get started, let me know, are we voting for next year? I haven't seen any votes, or how we're going to do this for next year. Someone leave a comment, let me know that I ain't slipping. So let's get right back into this video. Like I was saying, there were 6 winners this time. I have 2. I'm going to hit you with 2 unboxings. 1, 2. So gang, let's get into one of them. There's a pick that I think is all right, you know, out of 1. They're all winners. It doesn't matter to me. They all did their thing. This particular pair is one of my favorite. Just being, you know, Retro Rick, and, you know, Maddie says she loves it too. So I'm going to show you why. So I'm not going to hold y'all up, family. We're going to hop right in the video. I'm going to unbox it. Detailed review. I got the new lights on deck as promised. So we finna hit the wall. Gang, let's get it. The wall. Alright, gang, let's get into it. Yeesh, the producer was right. Shout out to Naya, my baby. Got this light on deck. Sometimes this light be blind to me. So now, but it's gonna pay off for this shoe. On this review, let's get it, family. So this particular pair is from London. This is the 97 pack. This comes from Jasmine. There was 6 people that actually participated in this Nike Airmax. You know what I'm saying? So 6 people. This particular one, let's shout out to Jasmine. Let's set this here. 1 shoe. We're gonna get into this one. This shoe here. Line everything up. Let's get this lighting right. There we go. There we go, gang. The card out that came with it. The paper says London, New York, Paris, you know, pretty much Tokyo, NY, everyone that actually entered, not entered, but, you know, participated in the Airmax. Set this box out the way. So it says London, 24/7 news, agent, food, wine. You got fruits and veggies, you know, so it's card, 97p. There you got love is in the air. So I said that's Jasmine. It was like supposed to be in London. You know, she dedicated this to our partner, and they did a particular color wave. That's this color in the inside. It says open. So you can see that. Open, then you got on the tongue. Right here you got Airmax 24/7. Let you know they open 24/7, kind of like the postcard says. Laces. You got the yellow laces, like a neon. And you got the orange. You know, it kind of, I guess, kind of like the Weatherspoon look, kind of, you know, try to take from it. The 97 1 look that, you know, Weatherspoon did. But this is all 97 without the 1 bottom. 97 top. But then you got the bottom with all your pods. It's orange, and it goes back yellow. The vote, then the check is purple here. With the backdrop, you know, it's been yellow. 97p all the way around, 97p. So 1 shoe here, you got the bottom. See that? Back it says good chat. This one says good chat. We're going to start off with the other one. Let's move this one to here. Come in with the good chat. You got the 97P on the back. Once again, you can see the green, the 3M reflector right up in here. Pod in the back. You know, you got orange. Then goes laces on deck. You know how I feel about my laces. You got the like a bluish. You got the white. Then you got the green. I guess it's purple, like a Concord purple kind of. It comes with this one. And then this particular laces, you got the green tips with the Concord's purple. Then you got the white. Same thing on this particular shoe. This one says closed in the inside. The other one says open. This one says closed. You can see that Nike check. Tab here, of course. Crocodile, you know, a little crocodile around here. All the way around. Bring it in a little closer, you can see. Then you got that detail review game. Okay. So, all right. Let's say shout out to Miss Jasmine and everybody else at Ender. Only got 2 boxes on deck. Like I said, the other box, this is the pair. If I was voting, I didn't get a chance to vote, gang. If I was voting, this one Retro would have picked. And Maddie loves them too. Maddie would have picked it too. We talked about it. So there you go. It's Tokyo Maze. Okay. And I'm noticing each box is the same. You got, you know, the guy's name here. Same on the other box. It was Jasmine's name. So let's pull out the card. It's like a maze. See everything inspired from. You got G02, Z02, and C04. You see that? Nike box. And you got the maze to start off. Then on the back, like I said, you got the Y and the T here. This is his name. Yota Tuckyuman. I hope I said it right. If I didn't, I apologize. No maze, no life. That's what this is in Chinese. I'm thinking, or in Tokyo. And then right up here, no maze, no life. That's what that says. Postcard. You write a little comment. Let me show you why I love this pair. Set these out of the way. I'm gonna come back to the laces. Don't worry. Get you right. Paper, of course, is the same. Right off top. We pulling them out. Tokyo Maze. Like on this translucent bottom, see-through bottom, red. Coming up, you got the red pod here. Oh, we're gonna get this one right. There we go, fam. Black bottom, translucent right here. Black, you got the red that's popping, and this, you see the maze on the shoe. So, you know what? Let me get the other one out now, so we can get this. There we go. Now, the back of the heel, you got the Nike Air on the back on both of them. If you're looking at the shoe, you ain't crazy. This one's lighter, this one's darker. One shoe is different than the other one. That's the first thing I noticed. The whole shoe is leather, family. Everybody listening to me, YouTube, the whole shoe is leather inside and out. You got a Nike Air on the inside. It's leather here, leather here. I thought when I looked at the picture, maybe it was like a mesh. I'm glad I was wrong. So laces are biting in the front on these. You can choose your laces. This patch comes off. It says Tokyo Maze. This patch comes off just like the other shoe. This shoe is, like I said, white and inside. Now the other shoe, even though the bottom is black and still red, this shoe, the checks are still white, is darker. Laces kind of, you know, flip-flop the other way around. Still says Tokyo Maze on this tongue here. This side, inside of the shoe, is black. Leather, once again here. Inside, whole shoe is leather. Nike Air. The classic Nike check. Air on the back. Bear with me, gang. You speed it up, slow it down. I'm going to turn y'all on some heat real quick. Put y'all up on some game. You got different patches for each shoe. This one says Tokyo Airmax that goes with each one. And you got some type of plaid one format on this one that goes with it. And then you have actually the flag, Tokyo flag on this one for each patch. So like I said, these patches come off. This one comes off, so you can switch out the patch. Other patch comes off. If it was me, let me show you the laces. I'll probably go with these laces because it has that maze look with all three laces. The red, the black, and the white. Or I might just go with the all red laces. Let me let y'all get the feel real quick. So you get the red laces in here. That red bottom. Leave a comment. Let me know if that'll pop. For these. Each shoe is different. You know we're going to keep y'all linked in the forum. I appreciate y'all for watching. Of course, tell a friend to tell a friend. Get the subscribers up. We need more subs. Subs, notification gang. Hit the notification bells. We got subs, but I need y'all to keep watching. We're going to keep applying, heat and pressure, hitting y'all over the head with this heating content. Of course, you know what your boy, your girl said. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. We out. Gang, gang. Let's get it, family.